With Iowa's strict abortion ban now in effect, Reuters spoke to women in the state capital of Des Moines about the new law, which prohibits the procedure after 6 weeks of pregnancy. Several said they were opposed.
I think that it is something that really is not what the people here want.
Nobody should tell a woman what she can do with her body. It's not up to anybody but themselves to make that choice.
But some told Reuters they are for the ban.
I totally agree with it. I'm not for abortions. People are very concerned about women. I'm concerned about women, but I'm also concerned about children. God is the giver of life, and that's not our place to take life.
Maggie, executive director of the local pro-life organization PostLife Advocates, said her fight against abortion is not over.
Our end goal, our gold standard, has been and will continue to be protecting all life from the moment of conception. So we are looking forward to next legislative session already and hope to introduce a life at conception bill here in Iowa, because we will not rest until all of our preborn brothers and sisters are protected under our law.
The new Iowa law makes exceptions for rape, incest, and fetal abnormality that a doctor reasonably believes is incompatible with life. But Liz Lenz, co-chair of the Iowa Abortion Access Fund, says those exceptions rarely work in practice.
The reality is that most people who can become pregnant don't find out that they're pregnant until at least like 8 to 10 weeks. And also the rape and incest exclusions are not really that, because that has to be reported. And we know statistically that simply does not happen, especially with young people who are really, really vulnerable. And that's who this hurts the most.
For the handful of Democratic lawmakers in the Iowa State Senate, the only option left is to fight the new law at the polls this November and gain more votes in the largely rural state. Iowa State Senate Minority Leader Pam Yokum.
If any Iowan thinks for even a minute that this is the end of the story, they are wrong. We're going to continue fighting the good fight to protect Iowans' freedoms.
Is this going to affect how you vote in November election?
Absolutely, 100%.
Why?
Well, I've really most of my life not voted Democrat, but I feel like the right is so extreme with everything. It's taking us back to the 1950s, and that's not okay.